MAC HVAC Service and Repair offers expert HVAC duct cleaning in Pottstown, PA, helping homeowners and businesses maintain cleaner air and more efficient heating and cooling systems. Over time, ductwork can collect dust, debris, pollen, pet dander, and other airborne contaminants that affect indoor air quality and system performance. Our skilled technicians use professional-grade equipment to thoroughly clean your duct system, improving airflow and reducing strain on your HVAC equipment. Regular duct cleaning can help minimize allergens, eliminate odors, and enhance overall comfort. Trust MAC HVAC Service and Repair for dependable HVAC duct cleaning in Pottstown, PA, and enjoy a healthier indoor environment year-round. Contact MAC HVAC Service and Repair to learn more about our services. Are you looking for an HVAC duct cleaning near me? You can stop looking. You found MAC HVAC Service and Repair, who provides HVAC duct cleaning in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional HVAC duct cleaning in Pottstown, PA for homeowners and businesses looking to improve indoor air quality and HVAC system performance. Over time, dust, dirt, pet dander, pollen, and other airborne contaminants can accumulate inside your ductwork. What are the benefits of HVAC duct cleaning? HVAC duct cleaning offers several benefits for homeowners and businesses in Pottstown, PA. MAC HVAC Service and Repair provides professional duct cleaning services designed to improve indoor air quality and HVAC efficiency. What is your HVAC duct cleaning in Pottstown, PA? Our HVAC duct cleaning has served Pottstown, Earlville, Weavertown, Amityville, Douglasville, Unionville, Stowe, Bucktown, Pewtown, Ludwig's Corner, Gilbertsville, New Hanover, Fagleysville, Limerick, Linfield, Kenilworth, Parker Ford, Spring City, Royersford, Graterford, Pennsylvania. Where is the MAC HVAC Service and Repair office located? We are located at 927 East High Street, Pottstown, Pennsylvania 19464. Our phone number is 610-672-3052. Visit our website, https://peachmashvatz.com/air duct cleaning service Pottstown pa/